Hey, welcome to my channel. Hope you are good. Today I will unboxing Galaxy A16 5G. Samsung recently launched, and I just say it's a best budget friendly phone in 2024. So let's unbox it. So it's a 128 4GB RAM and 128 GB, and it's a Vietnam variant. Let's check first what inside the box actually. Nothing comes here, and this part it's a SIM card or SD card remover. And it comes with type C charging cable but no adapter. Now let's check the phone. I have recently purchased F05 as well. It's a new launched Samsung. Let's compare the size, almost same, and button and other. So I have another video on F05 in my channel, you can check. So let's set up my phone first. Press on start, select your language and just follow the process.
Okay guys, in this video we're going to take a look at Japan button and attack our display.
Refresh it would be good, and it's come with 90 Hz. And let's check the camera. It's a 15 megapixel, and for 12 megapixel we got 10x zoom and 0.5 mx zoom also available. So let's click a photo. Photo looks good but a little bit blur. I'll just outside my home. Keep watching. Now for video, it comes with FHD and only 30 fps. It's a dislike. I really don't expect, and it's at least comes with 60 fps. It's good for a video editor, and micro, slow motion, hyperlapse, pro, panorama all are available, but only 60 Hz missing. Let's check the slow motion. Yeah, looks good, smooth. And this phone have no 3.mm jack, only type C. And let's check the photo quality in outside. Open camera and try to some flower photo. Yeah, looks good. Video quality also good. check the zoom for video. There's the 4x, 5x, 7x and 10x. Camera, my opinion, not good. Lot of noise comes with both photo and video camera. If I open the photos, you can see it looks so blurry. Now if I open my browser, phone browser, continue, and let's try to browse something. Remember, it comes with 90 Hz, 90 fps actually for gaming and browsing. Yeah, looks good. And let's check the download speed. 16 versus F05. Yeah, 16 is always fast. Let's play a game. Now if I check the control panel, go setting and go the display, and brightness is already full, and the motion is smooth. It comes with 90 Hz. You see, it looks good. And if I check the internet speed, start, I have a 30 Mbps, and download and upload speed also good. Let's play a racing game. Now let's check the audio and video quality. Go the YouTube and try to play music to check the music. To check the max brightness, you can select vivid and set as maximum. Now let's check the AI section. All service assistance, it's come with Google Assistance. If you want to enable, just enable the Hey Google.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What do you get when you put a vest on an alligator? An investigator.
So it comes with AI. And let's check the image. Open image, and if you press the pen icon, then you can see it comes with eraser. You are able to change background or remove background and some feature as well. So after using 20 or 30 minutes, let's check the temperature. It's a 95 Fahrenheit. So let's check my another phone. It's 82. So phone so that's it. Thank you. If you enjoy it, press thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.